Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to see one more great thing from Swift. So today, as you must have seen on the thumbnail, that we are going to see how we can create our own custom operators in Swift. So don't generally use this, but it's good to know how we can do this. So let's see how we are going to do this. So there are basically four types of operators in Swift: infix, prefix, postfix, and ternary. So we can create our own custom three types of operators, but ternary is generally not allowed until now. But let's see in future if Swift allows us, then we can create that also. So let's start with the first infix. So in infix operators, what happened is we use it between the two values. So here I have shown the example that there is first value, second value, and in between there will be an operator whichever we want to use. So it is basically used between the two values. Prefix, as the name says, it's used before the value. Like here, value is here and it will be used before the value. The operator will be placed before the actual value. Postfix, again, as the name says, it will come after the value. So here the example, value, and then that operator will come. And ternary, those who don't know, it's basically we use two symbols inserted between three values. So you must have seen this while taking the value from the optionals. If it is nil, then take other value using this colon operator you must have used. So it's like if this value is true, then take question mark, then take the first value, else if it is not true, then go with the second value. So for that, these two operators are used here, question mark and colon. So that's called ternary operator. So we are going to see how we can create our custom operator using these three things, that is infix, prefix, and postfix. So let's start. So the first thing what you have to do is you have to declare your operator like this. So I am creating a prefix operator, prefix custom operator. So I will say prefix operator and then I will give the operator symbol here. So here actually I'm using the square root symbol. So we are going to create a square root custom operator. So but you should already be knowing that this square root function is already there for us, but we are just doing this for our example. So I will say prefix operator and I will give the operator symbol here, and then I will create one function. But again, before creating that function, I have to say prefix function, then the operator which I have mentioned above, I will put that operator same here, and then I have to pass the parameter. So square root, I am going to pass one parameter, that is the value 25, and it will return the value, and just I am doing the operation in between. So you can do whatever operations you want to do inside this function. So that's how you will do it for the prefix. And you can see here when you run it, it is showing the square root of 25 as 5. So that's how you use the prefix. Same way, if you want to use infix, it's just that you have to use it between the two values. So I have created the operator like infix operator and the symbol, then function. And here you can note that here I have written prefix, but here I have not written infix because the compiler gives us error when we write infix, so it's not needed here. So I will write here the operate symbol, and then I pass the values, and then here you can see we have done the operation and I have written the value. So here I am doing the square of two numbers and adding them. So 2 square and 3 square I am doing, and I am adding here. And here you can see I have passed the custom operator just like here, and it is giving us the result as 13. So that's how you use it, the infix operator. And the last one is the postfix. So I have taken one example of percentage, since we write like this 75%. So for that I have again did the same thing like prefix. I am doing postfix operator symbol, then creating a function with postfix at the start, then I'm passing the value and returning the value, and I'm doing my operations in between. And like this, here it is printing the result. So let's run once again and see. You can see it is showing it the same way. So that's all guys, I want to show you in today's video how we can create custom operators in Swift. I hope you have learned something new and you have liked this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.